now on both. All right, so we're getting ready here. Man, this sucks. This really sucked. Missed this entire move right here. We're gonna wait though. It's too late to go into this long now. Maybe it'll be a short, better. Maybe the short might be the better trade anyway. We'll see. I haven't even looked at the chart really. I almost fell off my treadmill too because it stopped abruptly. I almost fell off. All right, hope you guys are paying attention here. If you've got the indicator package, if you have the indicator package, you saw the high volume here, manipulation candle, followed by the absorption and the power longs. Beautiful entry there. We hit the target first, this target down here. Then we got the absorption, then we got the move. So congrats to anybody who caught that there. Yeah, sorry guys. I'm just trying to get everything up and running. It's just not easy to run a live stream and have everything function properly. Let me see if we can get the Tradeify. Got the Tradeify going. All right. I think we're good. I'm getting a pumpathon right now. Good job to anybody who took this long. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, this reversal couldn't have come at a worse time for me. But it is what it is. Pretty good day overall so far anyway, so it's not the end of the world. 730 to 770, it's only 40 points, right? What's 40 points? 40 points between friends. All right, I don't see any signs of stopping right now at the moment. Straight boner candle in a 5-minute. That's crazy. Okay. All right, whatever. Hope you guys caught it. Hope you did. Can you do? You could just go on the other channel, Future Fits, and go on the other stream. We have 2 streams going on right now. So if you don't want the vertical view, just go to the other stream. There's 2 streams going on right now. All right. Believe it or not, YouTube actually really likes me running 2 streams. Yesterday, I think we had 3,600 views on the mobile version. So I guess it's working. What's not working is the fact that I didn't get a chance to get into this short. I mean this long, sorry. I hate when this happens. Now we're kind of Whatever. I'm locking myself out of my personal account. I don't want to end up tilting because of this. Yeah, I don't want to tilt. I'll call them out here for you guys, but yeah. It took eagle out and then reversed. I'm sorry to hear that, eagle. Oh man. Thanks, Eagle. I really appreciate you guys still being here. Liked and payouts on Bulenox. Good job, George. I wish no one ill will or happenstance, but that is funny. What's funny? The fact that I got my power went out. 81 trade gold. Yeah, we got this. We'll make up for it. What's your opinion on gold trading? You can make and lose money with gold. All right, I think we're pretty much ready to go now. All right, we have a dump level up here on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens here. All right, we also have it wrecked this level, so this level is no longer even needed here. We have pretty good support level right here in this candle, and then we've also got this pump level down here that it left behind in the dust. Man, look at this, guys. High volume, absorption, and a ripper. I mean, if you guys are not taking advantage of this easy three-step process, you wait for the level, obviously. Wait for your level. Don't just start doing that anywhere. Wait for your level. Wait for high volume. You see down here? You see that? That's high volume. That's good volume. And then you get the absorption right away after that. That's a good indication that this thing is going to rip for you. All right, so congratulations, whoever caught this long. Very nice move. Very nice indeed. The treadmill, because it is something that surely would happen to me. Oh, the treadmill thing. I almost fell on my face, yeah. Explain the 3 steps. Chinese absorption, manipulation, Chinese manipulation right here. After you get to a level, make sure it's in a level that you want or that you believe in. Chinese manipulation right here. Absorption. And then you get the signal and you get the move. I mean, you don't even have to wait for the signal if you have other confirming factors. But you've got this. You've got the this big old delta trap right there. It's more visible on the 5 minute. 5 minutes shows it beautifully. 5 minutes shows the delta trap beautifully right there. But yeah, you had a lot of confirmations on that move to the upside. Mucho confirmation. All right, let me start walking again. Because it has a different color. You got to program the color you want. So for me, a bullish absorption is yellow, and bearish absorption is pink. So you see the pink? Pink right there. And I went with yellow for bullish absorption. But you can change all that on the indicator. You just go to the settings here and you can change them to any color you want. I have it set on pink and yellow. But you can do whatever you want. Please explain the delta trap. Sure, I will. Short sim, please explain the delta trap. Delta trap really quick. I've explained this before and I have videos on it. But a delta trap is when you see a basically like a double bottom or a double top on the delta down here. Usually why it does that is because it is an indication that they are trapping. First they come down strong like this and they make it look like they're going to support. So like they supported here on the overnight low. They supported. They supported here. They even gave you some bullish absorption candles to kind of trick bulls and trap them. And then what they do is they drop it hard one more time. And the way that looks like on a delta chart is it looks like big flush to the downside like you see down here with these candles. And then you get one more spike afterwards. And that spike came here. But it's usually smaller or the same size as the one that was before it. Okay, now you can see this really good on the 5 minute. Let me show you guys real quick the 5 minutes so that way people on live can see it. I'm sorry, on the mobile can see it also. You see down here, we had the delta trap right there. Bang, bang. Right there. Beautiful. All right, got that delta trap on the 5 minute and got it. You saw it on the 1 minute too. And then you don't go long just on the delta trap, but then you see the high volume on the candle. Then you see the absorption that happened right there after that. And then you got that move to the upside there. Yeah, I don't know what just happened to my chart. I kind of just had like a little bit of a hiccup there. My chart just had a hiccup. I don't know why he's hiccuping. We are back. All right, we're good. All right, so that's a delta trap. Okay. You missed that trade 794, hit palm test CC indicator, cookie channel. Is this like a double bottom of 930 low? Melanie, I live in New York. Pairs after news. Yeah. So the reason why the delta trap looks that way is because what they're actually doing is they're coming down to stop out the early longs first. That's why it looks like that, because what they're doing is stopping out the early longs by one more flush. And then they get enough ammunition at that point to bring it back higher. So that's why it ends up looking that way. That's why it ends up looking like a double bottom or a double top, because it gets everybody kind of relaxed and like, okay, let's short now or let's long now. And then what they do is they pump it back in that same direction one more time, and they make a fool out of everybody. Looks like we're losing that level again off the VWAP. We were supposed to support this level here. We didn't. Now we got the absorption candle to the downside. We're testing this pump zone again. If they can't hold this level, they're going to dump it back down to the pits of Hades. Five minutes still looking super mighty dumpy. 15 minute isn't really giving us anything besides a rejection from the 15 minute level, dump level. Yeah, the 15 minute has a dump level that we just tapped into, and we're getting rejected from bigly right there. Still, I'm flat. I'm not taking anything here just yet. You were eating, Emma? This is all your fault. All your fault. If you weren't eating, we would have been able to catch this together. I'm going to have to add a whole bunch of charts back on my screen. We need the ES on a 5 minute. We need the YM. We need the YM on a 5 minute. We need RTY. We need gold. Five minute. We need. Does anybody care about the euro dollar? I don't think you guys care. Right? Let's go to the volatility. Actually, let's go to Bitcoin. And then we'll go to the volatility. We also need crude oil. Let's get crude up in here. All right, we're set. Okay, I think we're good. Cool. Oh, that's good, Marley. I'm so glad to hear it. It's helping you. That's these improvements are not going to happen overnight. They're going to be incremental. And before you know it, you look back 6 months from now, you're not even going to recognize the same you're not going to recognize the trader you've become. So if these things are giving you a shortcut cheat code, I'm so happy to hear that. Oh, good. Thank you for the levels, Eagle. Guys, pay attention to Eagle's levels because they do him nice. You have VWAP at 791. Yeah, I got that too. Khan's ripping it today. Looks like he has been on point. All right, let's see what gold did. Gold went sideways. Okay, let's look at oh, you know what we're missing? We're missing Nvidia. Missing Nvidia. I like watching Nvidia. Usually gives a kind of direction of where the market might go to. Yeah, Nvidia has been dumpy, huh? All afternoon it looks like. All right, we're back. This level here has got to get supported. If this level doesn't get supported, then we're going to see a retest of that 15-minute orb, maybe even the 1-minute orb down here, the 1-minute IB. We're getting a possible. Is that? Let me see. NQ. We were getting absorption just a little while ago there on the 5-minute. Not anymore. What happened to our Bitcoin short? Are we gonna get wrecked? Wow. Positions, Nasdaq. What happened to my? Oh, here we go. Oh, we were on that. We're still up a little bit on our Bitcoin. Okay, she's holding this level. She's holding our pump level for now. Any interesting Tory trend lines that we've got, or not really? We do have an interesting Tory trend line right now. All right, let's see what happens here. Short 2 from 779, says Eagle. You guys gotta remember Sam B's a teacher. He's not always gonna be here with us. Okay, this level is getting supported, like we said earlier here from the pump zone. They tried to manipulate down into it, hasn't been successful. They're holding it. They're going to try to test the top of the candle where it originated from. Or actually, it probably originated from a little higher. Yeah, actually it did. It originated from the VWAP. Would move this to the VWAP. Well, I'm going to take this off because it's basically the VWAP. We got to keep our eyes on the VWAP, and we got to keep our eyes on this level down here. It's crazy how these levels get supported, right? There is really no other reason for me to think about this level here. Like, I would not be marking this level out for anything other than it being a pump zone. That's where I have my long-term, some of my long-term assets. So I just use it also because it's so functionally easy. But I've used AMP, I use TradeStation. I still have them. But it's just so easy for me to use Webull. I already have it linked to my bank accounts. I don't have to send a wire. You know? I just do an ACH and I'm done. Nice little ripper. AMP has free access to Quant Tower, but I don't use a Mac. I use a Mac, dude. I'm not from 1990s. I'm from the year 2025. I can't use Quant Tower. Thank you, Con. I remember that commercial with the Mac and the PC. Remember the Mac guy was so cool and the PC guy was the old guy who didn't know how to use a remote control? That's how I feel right now with Con. They're less expensive, Pecos? Yeah, I use them out of convenience, but to be honest with you, if you're worried about getting charged $1 more per trade, then you're probably not trading right anyway. You're probably worrying about the little things and you're not focused on the big things. For me, convenience is really important. Mac guys never make money? Oh man. That's why it's been, then I gotta switch my computer. That's probably why I haven't made any money. Yep. Good little ripper here. Can't say we weren't expecting it, but it's here. It is happening. It is happening right now, guys. It is happening. Go back over to the Discord and stream. Guys, I'm going to start streaming for any members. I'm going to start streaming my live stream again on zero delay on Discord. So if you want to go into Discord, only if you're a member of the YouTube channel or a member of the Discord. If you have our subscription to our Discord, it's only $4.99 a month. You have access to the live trading room. So you can go in there right now and you can watch my screen with literally zero delay. It's real time. Commercial free too. I don't know if you guys still get the commercials, but I turned them off. And that's part of the upgrade for being a member of the YouTube channel or for supporting our Discord with $4.99 a month. $4.99 a month. Let me make that very clear. Looks like Bitcoin might be ripping right now. Is he ripping? She's ripping right now. Nice, Bitcoin, nice. And she put in a nice volume candle right here. She put a nice volume candle there. We'll see. Probably get stopped out. Everything seems to be rotating back up now. Why is that though? Great volume here, great volume. We got above the VWAP with volume. This thing's probably going to keep going here. If we can't get above this 808, she could still return, but if we get above it, it looks like we're going to be fine. She's ripping right now. Nice job, nice job, Nasdaq. Whoever took this long from here, this was like a no-brainer long, man. Easy, first TP here, reload the boat down here. Wow, what a move. This is nice. Watch the daily open. They could still get this daily open here. I'm gonna move this up a bit here because we have a dump level up here as well in the 1 minute. So I'm just gonna move this over just a bit. So we got above the Toei trend line. Things really took a turn for the best here. They seem to be. That's what's been allowing me to hold these trades a little longer, because I see that they move from pump to dump areas. They literally just bounce between the pump and dump areas, which is really cool. Really, really cool. All right, so we're back into a green trend. Let's see if we can refocus ourselves and find a good entry, because it was unfortunate what happened earlier. We missed that whole run up. Unfortunate. We're in the range of the body of the weekly candle. Okay. 24,851 is the open, right? Is it? The open is right here at 818. Is the weekly open, or is that the... Oh, it's the weekly open, not the daily open. We're testing that right now. That daily. Yeah, you ripped it. Another high volume candle to the upside here. Nice, thank you, Mr. Mr. M Ram. I don't know how to pronounce that, but Mr. M Ram or Mr. Am. A lot of offers here. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, they could, you know, they're famous for squeezing, so watch them. All right, we're going to take this off here because there is no longer any need to keep this on here. We got to start watching these levels. We got the push from there. If they lose this level, they could start to head back down. They're going to have to find support here or possibly support back on the VWAP. If not, then it was all a dream. How do you see live on Discord? Can you show a screenshot again? Yeah, I can show you a screenshot again. All you got to do on Discord, if you want to see us live with no delay whatsoever, all you got to do is go to either become a YouTube member. Become a YouTube member. It's $5 a month, or you can go here to memberships. I'm sorry, not memberships. Where is it at? Server shop. Sorry. Go to server shop in our Discord and pick this live trading group here for $4.99 a month, and then you'll be able to see our stream here with no delay and no commercial breaks. All right, so that's one upgrade. Plus, you also get the trading community here. They trade live every day in here. They share their screens. They chat. They do all that good stuff. All right, this is looking pretty nice for a move right back down. So, okay, so I'm gonna paper short this. I might even take it with the eval because it looks very much like a possible short here soon. Maybe get a bounce at the VWAP. I really do think this is going to be a nasty, could be a start of a move right back down. There she goes. There she goes. Not yet, maybe. Or maybe it was a 52 fake out. We built a pump level at the 5-minute 775 area. Right up in here. Literally right after this level here, there's a pump zone right after 787. Right underneath it, there's a pump level on the 5-minute. We do have the orb high up here. Is this the orb high? Yeah, this is the orb high of the day. Is that the orb high of the day? Yeah, that was the orb high. Right up at 831. That was the orb high. I'm paper trading this right now, but if this thing comes up and sweeps it here, if it sweeps it right here and then loses it right after hitting the orb high, I'm going to take this with my eval. It's crazy, right, Paul? It really is. Thank you for bringing that up. I'm not sure, Paul. I haven't done enough backtesting to know if just the pump and dump levels, like a ping pong, will work, but they have been working really well. The one thing you got to keep in mind is if you're trading the 1 minute, keep an eye on the 5-minute pump zones and maybe even the 30-minute pump zones. Sometimes those can come into effect, but you can do really well with just looking at the 1 minute pump zones. I mean, they do help. As you can see right here, we put in this pump zone area right here, and it came right down to it, added, a little bit of liquidity to the buyer pool here by sweeping out, grabbing liquidity, whatever it needed to do, pushing it right back up. And right now we got a pretty strong signal. The reason I took this short, I'll explain to you why. It could be a trap. That's why I'm not in it with real money. It's just a paper trade. We've got a lot of high volume candles to the upside. And then here, on this candle right here, it was an immediate absorption, plus it was high volume to the downside on this candle. So because of that, there's some strong bears up here. There's some pretty strong bears. So I'd like to see them lose this level. If I see them lose this level here at 810 once again, I'm going to take that short with my eval and probably ride it down to about 787, 788. We'll see. If that doesn't happen, then I'm not taking the short. Offers are reloading? Yeah. Where is the 5-minute pump zone in relation to the 1 minute? The 5 minute in relation to the 5. Let me show you. You see the 5 minute right now is directly above it. But I already have that level marked out anyway with this pink line there. You see there's a 5 minute right there. But there's a 1 minute underneath that was already tapped into. So maybe they come back, retest this level, and maybe dip into the pump level once again on the 5 minute and then go. I could see that happening. I could see that happening also, but right now they're very, very strong. So we'll keep our eyes open. They tend to do this a lot, guys. When you want an area, we've also got a bit of a delta trap-ish looking thing right here. So just be careful. $600 on the Qs. Massively green right now, the wave. But these are some strong signals here, so we got to be open to pretty much anything. Again, I'm looking at 810. If we can break 810 to the downside and hold it, we could go down to 790. That's what I'm thinking. The VWAP is here at 794 at the moment. So maybe VWAP tap again? I don't know, could be. What's that push down? Watch that 810 level. Watch this 810 level. If they break this 810 level, things are going to get kind of heavy. Absorbing at 810. Buyers absorbing here at 810. This is why you don't get ahead of yourself. You wait for the level to not hold. Right now it's kind of our line in the sand, but if they hold it, they're just going to go higher. They're just going to go higher. If they put in a PL here, a power long, they could really hold this level and go much, much, much higher. I'm thinking 940 on the day if this level doesn't hold. Okay, we're getting that PL. Let's let it confirm first. Let's see if it sweeps this. It's probably going to sweep the IB high here. Looks like that's where it wants to go. So far, no dice. But she is going to confirm the power along here in the next 4 seconds. We got a high volume candle that's just confirmed right now on the 5 minute, which is super bullish. That candle started at 802, so 802 being down here. They have to support this 802 level as well. If this goes, I think this is just going to go. This is going to keep going. Power longs look so good right now. She is looking really good. Let's see what happens here though. If they break this blue line here is the 1 hour orb high, they're gonna they're gonna really rip it. They got to close with a full-bodied candle up here. That's a good signal to continue this move to the upside to the overnight high at 856. Looks like they're gonna go there next if they can close this without a wick. If they can close that without a wick, they are gonna look really good. Let's see what they do here. Watch out for the potential fake out too, because they love doing stuff like this where they push it up, get people short, and then they put another one in, which is, this is a better looking delta trap than the last one. That's why I'm neutral still on this. Even though we broke the resistance, I'm still neutral on it because they can be putting in here the fake out to give you the move down below. Yes, a monster right now? No, I don't think shorting is the best option. Remember what I said to you is if it breaks down below 810, which is right here, the reason why I have this 810 line signal to here is because this was a high volume candle here that started at this price. If they can break through that level, that means those buyers are going to get hammered and they're going to bring it down to possibly the 788 or maybe even this 778 level for a pump from the pump level. But I wouldn't be shorting right now, and I wouldn't be longing either. They have to close above this level, 831, with a full-bodied candle or a hammer candle up here. If they can't do that, then it's probably going to retest 810 down here. So right now it's still wishy-washy. Still wishy-washy. What's up, Gavin? Thank you for subscribing, brother. Gavin Pringle. Thank you, brother. Welcome to the channel. BTC still ripping? She's still ripping. She's riding that VWAP all the way down. ES is ripping right now above both orbs to the upside there. What's NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA looks like it's leading the way down. Things looking kind of heavy here. Watch the 810 level. If they break 810, they could be finding a new move to the downside. Offers reloading a lot. Damn. Yeah. This is what they do. They create this false sense of reassurance to the upside. They show their hand a little bit here, and they push it up one more time to grab those stop losses from the first people that went short too soon. That's why using a paper trading account can really help you out sometimes, because most times, I know myself, I'm early to the move. Testing it first with the paper trading account and watching them sweep has saved me a lot of money in the past. They are holding this daily though. Look at the size of the delta on this last push. And they took it on the chin, right there. The buyers took that whole move and said, "That's all right. That's all you got." Buyers are really stepping up here. You have zero idea what to do? Then don't do anything. I'm not doing anything right now. You can paper trade, but there's nothing good right now. Take care, Melanie. Thanks for stopping in. Yeah, there is no clear trade right now, guys. They need to close above here with a hammer candle, or they need to close below this 810 with some decent volume. Either one. But right now she is a no bueno. So basically we have this. Kind of stuck in this little sandwich right there. Stuck right there in between a rock and a hard place. Yeah, there's a lot of sellers here right now, right? Yeah, we need a monster move to break through here with some emphasis, not just like a regular little tiny little wick candle. We need some girth. Gavin, are you down $1,000 just from today's trading? If it's just from today's trading, I would say lock yourself out and try again tomorrow after the open, because the trading conditions are always the best after the open, not right now at 2:30 p.m. So right now at 2:30 p.m., all they're trying to do is to manipulate you and take any money you made in the morning. That's even worse, dude. Can anybody here tell Gavin about the Asia session? What's up, Jess? How you doing? I don't trade the Asia session. I have on occasion, but I don't, because it's not really inviting. Not very inviting atmosphere. Give me a sec, guys. Give me mine then, not yours. For that, you watch my stream, right? What a day. Yeah, today's been a little crazy. You're on a past 50K funded. You definitely don't want to trade these conditions, dude, if you're trying to maximize your wins. First red day in a while. I'm trying to break even on the day, but I don't know. Jess? Yeah, it's going to be a tough one. Yeah, remember what we're looking at, guys. We're keeping our eyes on this level here at 810. If they can break 810, most likely we're going to come down and test VWAP 790, maybe even in here. If we catch our second wind in here, close up above 830s, then they're going to keep going. Yeah, Gavin. Sometimes remind yourself of what got you to pass the account in the first place. And I'm pretty sure it wasn't 2:30 p.m. trading. It was most likely early morning trading. We'll be here. We're here every day, man. But we're here every day. Every day the market's open, God willing, we'll be here. Yes, I'm walking on a treadmill, Rupesh. I have an appointment with my chiropractor this afternoon. I'm going to tell him to do some x-rays on me this time. You did it at night with gold? Wow, dude. Congratulations. Gold is not an easy asset to trade. And you did it at night. Well, gold trades differently. I think gold trades really well in the Asia session, if I'm not mistaken. Gold tends to trade really nice in the Asia session. So look at this. Gold. We got the manipulation to the downside. Absorption. Absorption. Right there. Power long. Buying. Gold, you're a manipulator, gold. It was just luck? Yeah, it happens, man. But you need a bit of luck in trading anyway. Yeah, I walked for about 6 hours. Yeah. We usually do about, I think 6 miles is what we do. Looks like a move down, says Khan. Need a monster from the bulls. Yeah, you'll get it. You'll get it, Jess. Don't worry. How many contracts should I take per trade tomorrow? 1 million. Dude, you should trade small, man. There's no need to be trading big. There's no reason to be trading big, Gavin. If you've only got $1,000 left, that's like if you're trading minis. If you're trading minis, and let's just say 1 mini, with a decent stop loss, is like $400. So you could literally only really get like 2 decent trades if you're going to trade minis with $1,000 left. So can you do it? I mean, you could, and you can get pretty lucky and build that back up with 1 mini. But you're probably better off trading it with smaller size. Nice one, K-Dog. Standing exercise platform? What is that? What's my real name? My real name is Lu Wang. Lu Wang. Melanie says you should try 3 micros, Gavin. In this market today, I'm doing 2 minis, and I usually do 7. Yep. So is it bad if I trail you? I don't think you should trail me. I think you should use me for confirmation. Or use what we're saying here on the chat for confirmation. Yeah, K-Dog, it's Lu Wang Wang. Lu Wang Wang. His real name is Louis Muhammad. You guys are funny. You guys are hilarious. I think I'm gonna start drinking tea during the stream, guys, because I talk so damn much on the stream, my throat starts to kill me sometimes. At the end of the day, I can barely talk. I think I'm gonna make me some lemon and honey tea. Yeah, tomorrow will be a new day. You guys will do better tomorrow. These conditions aren't for everyone. These conditions are not for everyone. Actually, they're really not for anyone, but sometimes even a broken clock is right twice a day. Guys, if you guys are interested, let me see if I can pull it up for you. So cool. Check this out, guys. Really cool. Check this out. So let me put this over here for everyone to see. All right, check this out. So cool, so cool. So starting tomorrow, I'm going to be in a tournament for Tradeday. It's called the Influencer Cup. The Ultimate Trading Showdown kicks off tomorrow, October 1st. $10,000 in cash prizes. $1 million in evaluation account giveaways. Wow, that's beast mode. Weekly prizes for influencers and their audiences. So if you guys want to be around for some of these giveaways with Tradeday, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, join our Discord, because we will be giving away these giveaways to our chat. And daily leaderboard updates, track your favorite traders, watch your favorite influencers compete, cheer them on, and win prizes along the way. This is the Influencer Cup, guys. We're in the big leagues now. We're going to be going up against Kellyanne, who I literally don't think I'll be able to even, hold a candle to. There's a lot of people in here. You guys may know some of these names. Like ICT, Tory Trades, they're in here. I'm going to be trading against ICT and Tory Trades, guys. They might team up on me. And Uncle Mike might come in, too. Uncle Mike might be coming in. Just go ahead and send me the trophy, says this guy. Huh. The nerve of this Uncle Bugatti guy. Does he not know who we are? Does he not know STC? Huh? He doesn't know who we are. He doesn't know who we are. Uncle Bugatti. It'll be Uncle Honda Civic after we're done with him. Pine Tree says full port time. Show off my secret indicator. Damn Good Trader says, shit, I was supposed to be in this. I like that guy. If I win, I'm going to Disney World, says Uncle Bugatti again. But he's not. He's not going to go to Disney World. Not even Six Flags. How come I didn't get to sign up? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Brian Stonk didn't want to. He didn't want to join because he was scared. Brian Stonk's not going to be in it. Yeah, guys, no big deal, no big deal. It's just the All Valley tournament. We're gonna have to do the sweep the knee, like Pecos were saying. Yeah, they don't know about us yet, guys. They don't know about STC. So if you guys want to follow the leaderboard, you just go here to the link. It's in my X. So if you guys go to my X account under Loose Move Trader, you guys go to the X account. You can keep track of the leaderboard, which right now I'm in the first place. Yeah, where am I? Right here. 150,000, guys. I'm in first place right now. I'm also in last place. But I can't wait, man. I can't wait. I'm in first and last place at the same time. It's going to be exciting. Very exciting. Super. Super duper. Thanks, Kelly. Thanks, everyone. That was your little entertainment for the afternoon. So Mr. Maram is asking if we can talk about what time frames in TradingView we can get the absorption to show, if only running plus and not premium. Did you say that it's possible setup for a 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute? Well, you're not going to see any delta at all running it on plus. You need premium. That's first, because the delta is all controlled by the data feed that's available only on premium. So if you're using TradingView, make sure you have premium. So yeah, you can use different time frames. You'll see absorption on any time frame. Tori says she got something for me, Pecos. That's funny. That's hilarious. What time is the event? That event is a month long. It's a month long. I am all done for the funded and my hand. Want to trade. I bought 3 evals. Nice, kind. Good job, man. What a good equipment to build on your back balance and muscle. It's good equipment to build your back muscle. Yeah, somebody was telling me I should work more on my core. Oh, there you go. Yeah, core. There you go. 7 minis, 827. On the eval TP, 857. You're going long? Nice, man. This looks strong. Yeah, this looks really strong right now, guys. She looks strong, 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 strong. Yeah, she broke through with some umph now. We're seeing the umph kick in. Yeah, this has been strong, strong, strong. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, a breakthrough. It's a breakthrough even with absorption. So now they're probably going to push this thing to the overnight high here, more than likely. I think that's the same trade that Eagle Eyes is taking here. Oh, he's on PEDs, so be careful. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think ICT might end up just pushing and pushing and pushing, waiting for Patrick. No, was it Patrick? Who was he waiting for? Was he waiting for Patrick? He was waiting for someone. He might end up just pushing it and pushing it and pushing it down to $900. What's up, True Vibes? If we win the all value, we might end up having to go to the. You might end up having to go to the Robbins Cup and go up against the big boys and girls. Hope you guys are doing all right. I'm flat right now, guys. I got no trades on. We did really well this morning, so I don't want to give it back. We're up to about almost 1,200 on our eval, and I think we're 100% on our live account. I think we took like 5 trades on our live account, so we're gonna stay there. I might take another trade on the eval if I see something I really, really, really like. No, it is a joke. It's just a joke, guys. He's not entering. PW was trading challenge for 10K. Has a trading challenge. Oh, yeah, I saw that too. I think I'm going to enter that too. That looks pretty cool. That looked pretty cool. I got to look into it. Yeah, I'm on a treadmill right now. My chiropractor told me not to sit so many hours during the day because my back's been bothering me since I did some heavy deadlifts the other day. And now every time I play basketball, my back is like wrecked for like 3 days. Oh, being red's affecting your brain? Nah, he's not entering, man. He doesn't come out much. Next tournament will be in Kumite? What is that? Kumite. Oh, Bloodsport. Offers reloading. The next tournament will be in a Kumite. Isn't that like, what does that mean? Kumite, it's like death match or something, right? Is that what that means in the Philippines? Bloodsport, baby. I know that movie. All right, yeah, it looks like she's about to rip right now, guys. She looks like she's about to rip. Looking very bullish right now. If they can hold 833, 833 is where they need to hold. If they retest 833 here, this could be a very cheap long. You might even take it here. Very cheap long. They may not even come back to it. But that is the line in the sand here from what I'm seeing. Ooh, they going, bro. They going. 850. 850's been touched. Yeah, it was Bloodsport. That was one of my favorites, man. Jean-Claude Van Damme. You guys remember when Jean-Claude Van Damme in that movie when he had a twin? He said, "Would you like to see my black silk underwear?" I can't do it pronunciation of Jean-Claude Van Damme, but it was double. It was like Double Impact. Yeah, Double Impact was the name of that Jean-Claude Van Damme movie. The Senate to vote this weekend on reopening the government. That'd be nice. What's my win percentage today? 0. The win percentage today is 0.00. This is the win percentage today. It's at 66%. We were a lot better this morning, but I took a couple like bottom picking trades that I had to enter like 3 times. So that messed up my win percentage. But we caught the right trade after all. And on my today on my funded, not my funded, my live account on Webull today, I think we're at 100% today. I think we took 5 trades today. She's holding it. She's holding it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to log back into my Webull account. It's like a 34-step security code to get back into Webull. Alright. Alright, as long as she holds this level here, guys, she's going to try higher prices. We got to get this 833 set in stone here. Okay. They absorbed pretty good there. On the 5-minute, we got some really nice absorption up there. Still got some heaviness up here. She's still kind of heavy there. See if we can find anything good. So far, she's still holding on. Bitcoin's ripping now. I think we might have gotten stopped out. Yeah, she's about to stop us out here soon. We'll see. We should have took our $66,000 and ran. Are we doing a giveaway today? Can we get to 125 likes? I'm going to do a giveaway today, but since our stream got cut off halfway and we don't have 125 likes, I'm only going to do a giveaway today for anybody who is currently right now, in this moment. I have a way of knowing because I can see the back end. Either you're currently in the Smooth Trader Concepts 3-day free trial, or you've already gone through it and now you're activated. So you either have to be in it, not that you were in it last month or last week, or you didn't take the opportunity yesterday and you let it lapse or whatever the case, or you canceled it. If you're currently in a 3-day right now, or you're already active and you've already subscribed, I'll do a giveaway, 50K eval giveaway to somebody today. So what I need you to do is go over to our Discord and prove it that you are. Send me a screenshot of your chart with your Smooth Trader indicator on it. And I'll have you guys post that in the main chat, or yeah, the main chat's good. So if you go to the main chat, you can post it in our Discord, the fact that you're using the Smooth Trader Concepts right now, and I'll put you into a giveaway. Today's the last day, guys. Today's the last day for that free 3-day trial. If you don't want to use it after the 3 days, you cancel it. If you don't do anything, it's going to roll you into a month-to-month agreement. Make sure you cancel it. You just joined today, Market Angel. Yeah, go ahead into go into our main chat. Go into our main chat and post a screenshot of your Smooth Trader indicator in there. And once I see that you have posted it there, the Smooth Trader indicator, then I will put you into the drawing today for a free 50K eval giveaway. And we'll do more like this. We'll do more giveaways to the STC crew. So far we got Mr. Mike Ram. We got the Prophet Seer. Very nice, Mr. Prophet Seer. All right, thanks, guys. I really appreciate your support. All you guys really means a lot. All right, so we are getting some heaviness here. Keep in mind if we can hold this 830 level, 833 level. Today is the last day for the free 3-day trial. So if you guys want to take advantage of that free 3-day trial, take advantage of it today, because as of tomorrow, it's going to be just month to month. Or if you want 2 months for free, you can pay a year in advance. It's up to you. Looking for the Discord channel, Lauren? It's pinned in the chat, or you can go down in the description of this video. So you can find the Discord channel there, or you can just look for main chat. You can't miss it. It says main chat. It's under the hut. If you see the thing that says the hut right under that, it says main chat. You just go there. Don't worry, you guys got some time. You guys got some time. Thank you, Michaela. I just saw yours as well. Today's the last day you can get 3 days for free. Not the last day today that you can use it for free, but the last day you can get 3 days for free. If you just joined today, take a screenshot of your confirmation that you just joined and post that, Market Angel. Yes, you can start the 3-day free trial today, Future Fits. All right, so they're still holding. They're still holding here. This level here is very, very strong. They are holding. I don't like this price action though. I need some more wickiness in my life. Maybe we get a good wick, get some good volume before the MOC candle. It's Michaela. Oh, thank you, Miss Michaela. I like your name too. My daughter's name is Kayla. So that means God with that means something to do with God. I know Michaela means something to do with God. Like God or something like that. I forget what the name means. Very nice name. God light. Yeah, that's what it is. Nice. It's bearish, says Khan. It is bearish. Now we gotta stay above here in order to continue this move higher. So if anyone's in a long right now, if you see this thing going against you under here, it could continue dropping. But if they support this level, they hold this level, and they continue higher, you guys are going to be looking really good. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. You're in the long AMA? Cool, man. Yeah. I'm in 2 contracts long, unfortunately, says Future Fits. I don't know if you're unfortunate yet. Just watch this level. They can come down here and sweep this level real quick and then go. That's very troll-like, and that's what the NQ loves to do. She loves to troll. She could wick this level real instantaneously and go higher. Or she can hold. How long can on treadmill? How long you can on treadmill? I think I've been on here for since 9 a.m. So we usually go for about to close. So maybe that's like what, 6 hours or something? 6.5 hours. It's usually about 4 cycles of 90 minutes. So that's like 6 hours. So we end up doing about 6 miles. I think that's what it is. We could be getting a power short on the 5-minute pretty soon. And that could be all she wrote for the longs if it does confirm. But they could also be manipulating to push this thing higher. 6 hours on the treadmill. Pretty crazy. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Throwing good money after bad, digging my hole deeper, says Jess. Don't do that, Jess. You only want break even? Then wait for volume. Don't enter on low volume. It missed you by 2 points for the 3K? Well, take profits, man. Take the profits. You're probably still in good profits. Still long? Okay. Oh, no worries, AMA. Tape is bearish, says Khan. There's a lot of weird looking stuff right now. A52 is your TP? You got this, brother. You got this. Looks like they're gonna make the run here for the overnight high. Looks like they want to go for it now. You see the two bullish absorption candles? They could actually do it on this one. Let's see if they go. They gotta get Eagle Eyes. Give Eagle Eyes his TP, man. Pay the man. Pay the man, guys. Pay the man. Come on, A52. Come on, A52. Don't miss him by a quarter like you do me all the time. Come on. Long at resistance. Yeah, this thing's going. Oh, no. Did you just miss Eagle Eyes by a quarter? No, they got him. I think he got it. You got it. Eagle got it. Good job, Eagle. The Eagle Beagle. I'm starting to see some real ugly signs on the 5-minute. This was not good here. This is not good. No bueno on that right there. This is ugly. If we break this level now, this is why we did. This is why we did. That right there, my friends, is an ugly sign. Ugly sign if you're a bull. Good thing Eagle Eyes got out on that. They're about to confirm this thing on the 5-minute too. This thing's not looking so good for bulls. Nasty trick, yeah. Careful, guys. They have to break this level here. Don't get ahead of yourselves, okay? They have to break this 832 level. They got to break this thing. If they break it, I want to see something like this. I want to see something like this. Retest. Dumparama. Something like that. Because this could be a trap. This could be a trap still, too. They like trapping in both directions. In order for them to go long here, they really have to convince you that it's over. So, if they get above this candle here, the A51, it is over for the bears. And if they can solidify a good candle below here, then it's all over for the bulls. This is a nasty range, Jess. You're 100% right. So sometimes you think they trap the bulls. Sometimes you think they just trap the bears. And that's why you really got to wait for them to break out the range. Because they do this a lot. Five-minute does not look great, though, for the bulls. Does not look bueno. I'm leaning more bearish than bullish. But anything can happen. VWAP's coming, says Khan. Supporting this thing. Oh my god. Those silly bulls. Look at them. You might have chopped those bears just now. You might have just chopped those bears. The bears. For once, I'm not in a trade and it feels so good. It's already power hour. Can you believe it? How the day flies. Crazy here. Yeah, Jess, if that's the case, lock yourself out for the day. Because you don't make good decisions after that. I know I don't. You don't make good decisions once you're trading to get back to break even. Usually that ends up digging a bigger hole, like you said. You're 100% right about that. And with this slow moving price action right now, it doesn't help. It does not help. Yeah, you took the small loss and got out? Good for you. No trade is a trade. Some days is the best trade. Hold on a sec. Sorry guys, from time to time I gotta stretch my back out. Sometimes it hurts my back. Sometimes it hurts the back. Shorts are better in my opinion. In my opinion, doesn't count. It's available, Doreen. If you look at our YouTube channel, we did a training on Saturday, a masterclass. Just look it up on our YouTube channel. It says masterclass, and it's good audio. We didn't have everybody in the background with their speakers on or their, we didn't have any noise in the background, so everything was good. No worries. Oh, she's slow and ugly here. She's slow and ugly. Yeah, let's get the likes up, guys. Come on, what you doing to me here, guys? I'll give you guys until 3:15. No, actually, I'll give you guys until 3:30. I'll give you guys until 3:30 to post if you're using the Smooth Trader Concepts. Post a picture. And I will check if you're still active, if you're active now, or if you've already subscribed. I'll do a 50K eval giveaway to someone who's using it. I'll give you till 3:30 to post that in our main chat over on Discord. Yeah. I don't know if we can get the likes up today. Can we get the likes up, guys? I don't think you guys like me anymore. At this time of day, I think you guys start to hate me. Can I post a YouTube screenshot? You mean one of mine? I don't know if it's mine. Because I have a way of knowing. Because if you guys win, I have a way of checking to see if you're active. It's free to like the stream. It is. Thank you, Jess. I really appreciate you. Nvidia is coming back down to Chinatown. She's at VWAP. She could pop from here. Did we get stopped out of our Bitcoin? Almost. Almost. Look how close we got to getting stopped out of our Bitcoin here. Is she going to roll back over? I hope she rolls back over. If not, we get stopped out here. Careful with the Chopzilla here, guys. Careful with the Chopzilla. Why screen looks small, KR? Are you on mobile or are you on the traditional portrait? KR, you're in our mobile stream. If you want to see the wide angle, go to our channel. Go to our channel and check out the other one there. Just click on our channel name and you'll see the wide view. Yeah, sorry about that. It's a little confusing sometimes. You're on a desktop? Yeah. Yeah, just click on our name, our channel name, and you can see it. All right, looks like we're breaking the level right now. Careful for the multitudes of fake outs that she could be doing. She could be faking out here. Bitcoin is getting stronger. BTC, you getting stronger? Yeah, BTC took us out of that $1 million trade we had on. All right, she is losing it. She's losing. She broke. Watch the daily open. She can get a 818 hit. Good job, guys. Anyone had that short? Yeah, the first 10 moves are fake outs, guys. Remember that. John D said it best. Just keep in mind. First 10 moves are fake out. First 10 breakouts are fake outs. Yeah, the way this market's moving right now, it doesn't make it look very appealing to even trade it. If you guys are taking these micro trades here and cashing out on 1 or 2 ATRs, you could make some money. You got a 3 ATR on this move from the top to bottom. Never fight the tapes this time. All right, we might get the rejection here. 833. Watch the push down to the VWAP maybe. $817 to the downside maybe. Watch what they do here, guys. They have to stay below 832 for continuation down. they break above it and close a solid candle, then it's not going to be bullish anymore. I mean bearish anymore, sorry. No, KR, I'm not in any trades at the moment. I'm not in any trades at the moment. Just be careful here because they're trying to manipulate everyone right now. You really got to like your trade at this moment. Nice, Mr. MRAM. ES is ripping right now. Nvidia is probably bouncing off that VWAP too. Oh, she cracked the VWAP. She's on this orb now. She got a little absorption there. Let's see if she gets rejected off the VWAP. Nice shot, Lewis. Yeah, this low volume environment, you got to be very careful, guys. Got to be very careful. Yeah, BTC's ripping. All right, she hasn't done much here in the last hour and change. She has not done much. She's gonna test this level again here. Looks like she's going now. She might try the overnight high again. Or maybe the high of day. She's going. She might be going. She's going. She can't be stopped. There she goes. Wowzers. Can she break 846? Can she break 846? She's got 846 in her crosshairs. There she goes. Come on, 850. Come on, 856. Come on, girl. Break through like the woo, baby. Show them what you're made of, girl. Show them what you're made of. There we go. I'll take the profits right there. All right. I'm done trading for the day on this thing. Caught a nice little long off here. Why did we take it? Very simple. You're on support. You've got the manipulation, Chinese candle down. And then you've got the power long. You got the absorption here twice. Twice absorption, power long, and high volume. All of it, all in the same place. This is a double power long. So that gave me the cojones to go. Don't trust what your eyes tell you. Don't trust your eyes. Trust the chart. Your eyes will be fooled. You need one of these treadmills, Lewis? I used to have a link here for you guys. But nobody would use it. You guys want the link? I'll give you guys the link again if you need it. All right, I took profits already there because she's been super choppy. So trading this range will make you some money. Up here, down here, up here, down here, up here, down here. So they broke this level now. To be honest with you, they really got to hold this. This level has actually shrunken a little bit. They really have to hold that. If they hold this level, they can keep popping higher. If they cannot hold this, then it's down we go. You missed that pop, Lewis? You can't get them all, bro. This started to look very dumpy in here. I was even considering taking a short from here until I saw it break up again. There was never really a solid, if you look at these candles here, there was never really a solid looking candle. This candle had a wick. This candle was a doji. It never really gave me that solid hammer looking candle. Oh, you're in luck, Sam. Today's the last day that you can get the trading system for free. Go down below in the description of this video or in the pinned comment in the chat. And yeah, check it out for 3 days for free, man. If you don't like it within the 3 days, just cancel it. You don't ever pay a penny. Just form a double bottom, US 30. That is a double bottom. Look at that. She's so double bottomy right there. Very double bottomy. You see what we have here on the double bottom. Why it makes it so juicy is we have the manipulation down on here, followed by immediates right afterwards. That's what immediate means. Bullish absorption. And then that gave you a huge pop to the upside. That's a beautiful trade. Anyone who caught that, that is beautiful. Bitcoin's ripping faces off now. Thanks, Bitcoin. Gold, just like we spoke about earlier, remember we said the Chinese manipulation candle down, absorption, and then look at her go. Like proud parents that we are. Look at her go. Good job, guys. Anyone who's taking those trades, good job. Did Nvidia pop? Nvidia also popped. We had, surprise, surprise, we had the Chinese involved in it again. Chinese were involved again. This was an absorption with a power long right there, and they broke through. Nice job, guys. It looks like they're going to go for that 940 after all. 900 to 940 looks like they could go. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, this is what they do. They do this really well. Usually, like, when they do this, they're going to do a hard push. So, nice. You're almost done with this eval? Should you keep trading? Why do you guys ask? Maybe you're asking someone else, but how can I answer that for you? I cannot answer that for you. Yes, keep trading. And if you win, give me the credit. If you lose, blame someone else. Like, I can't answer that for you. 863 is one of your levels, Con? No worries, Emma. I mean, I want you to win, but their chances of winning are not good at this time of day. The only way you have a good chance of winning this time of day is if you're extremely patient and you wait for volume to kick back in. Other than that, you're just scalping for dear life. You know, this thing could rip right now. It could take off on a moon mission because it is holding this level, and they want, in my opinion, they want 900, but they don't have to give us 900 during the New York session. They can give it to us overnight. They can give it to us tomorrow. Yeah, me either. That's a good one. So one of Jay-Z's best lines. Good one, K-Dog. Yeah, they're just going. This is a Sam B trade right now. Sam B says if it stays above the green diamond for 2 candles, he goes long. But I don't trade it like that. I don't trade it that way. But if you guys do it, Sam B, it might work for him. Nice job, Future Fits. Month candle close in 1:30 hours. Wow, we got a monthly candle closing in an hour and a half. That's crazy. That is true. I forgot about that. We do have a monthly candle closing. How does the monthly look? Trying to equate myself, says KR. Do you mind walking me through? I have a whole playlist, KR, down below on how to use our trading system. Check it out. It's like a mini trading course, to be honest with you. It really is. If you guys are looking for a trading course, even if you don't plan on utilizing the indicator, use the playlist down below that I just created for our style of trading. But I'll be honest with you, it's very simple. It's a 3-step approach for me. You look for manipulation first, like we got right here. This high volume candle represents manipulation. You make sure it gets to a level first, right? You look for manipulation. You look for absorption. That means buyers are absorbing sellers. These yellow candles represent that. And then you hold your nose and look away. And that's it. That's it. Simple as that. It happens all day long. It happens every day, all day. There's not a market you can show me where it doesn't happen. It happens even in the volatility. It happens. Even in the volatility, it happens. It happens everywhere. It happens everywhere. Yeah. Happens. Volatility is sinking. Like a sinking ship right now. Oil, what is oil doing? Oil had a nice little move right here. Absorption. I'm sorry, manipulation, absorption, bang. They're gonna go. They're gonna go. So the NQ is still going. NQ is still going, guys. KR, that's funny. It is very simple. Trading shouldn't be overly complicated. It should not be overly complicated. You think the monthly candle is going to hit the previous high? Maybe that's what they're trying to do. Close this candle. Imagine if you close the monthly candle out at an all-time high. That'd be nuts. You think they'll do that? That's a really good point. That's a really good point. Can they do that? Or will they do that is the question. Yeah, we just took out 870. 870 was some resistance, and now it's not anymore. The next level I'm looking at is the 900s. We have a dump area in the 900s. And then we have the all-time highs up at 25, 27. Previous day high is at 24,980. Is this thing going to go all the way up there? This is the last day of Q3. So there's a lot of things, huh? A lot of things happening here. We got another power launch signal off the overnight high. Crazy, crazy, guys. This is loco, man. I mean, the wave was green after all, right? Why should we be getting too bearish just yet? The wave was green. Nice job, NQ. Throwing the shovel out the hole. Finally, a winning trade. It's all strategy and psychology, Jess. Beautiful, Jess. What did you see, Jess? What did you see? What got you into that trade? Sam B slingshot worked. It did, man. Pecos, I'm telling you, Sam B's got something going for him, bro. Market going to previous high. Fed's Goldsby says, I hope that recent higher inflation proves one and done. Oh, man. Jess, did you try Sam B's strategy of the 2 candle approach? Sam B's 2 candle approach. Sam B says if 2 candles hold above the green, then it's gonna rip. I see his. I gotta backtest that and see if that's actually a thing. I don't know if I could build a trading strategy on that, but we'll see. Good place to put your stop loss, though. I will say. Fibs, nice. It's about to take PDA's highs. Nice market, Angel. 2:33 p.m. low. And 304 high. Retracement. TP at 1618 extension. What's a green diamond? The green diamond means it's 200% more volume to the upside than the last 10 candles, 10 positive candles. Same thing with the bright pink ones. That's 200% more volume to the downside than the last 10 high volume, than the last 10 bearish candles. The baby blue ones are 150%, and the light pink ones are 150% to the downside. If you need to learn about all this stuff, watch the playlist down below. Nice job, Jess. Jess is a really technical trader. I love her her style. She's very technical, very analytical. That would have been a great trade to get into under green diamonds, under FAH, under KCL. PL doesn't get better than that. I wasn't watching, so I missed it. It says Art. Damn, Art. What the heck, Art? Get in that time machine, bro. Go back. Now we want to hold. Now we want to hold 862. Now we want to hold 862. If 862 doesn't get held, then we gotta hope we can hold 852. But I think she's gonna kind of do a little chop, maybe a little sideways dance until the MOC candle. Then she'll probably rock it. Yeah, you got this. You got this, Jess. Everybody's allowed to have a bad moment, a bad day, just not a bad career. So if you guys want to make trading your career, make sure you don't do the same bad habits over and over and over again. Are you only a winner because of me? You're a winner because of our Lord and Savior, man. That's why you're a winner. Because He died for your sins. And He gave you redemption. And so you could have eternal life. What is the name of the indicator? It's called... Wow, we have another con in the chat. This is the real con. The other con is a fake. It's a phony. A fugazi. It's called the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator. It's down below in the description of this video, or it's pinned in the chat. Today's your last day to try it for free. You get a 3-day trial for free. Today is the last day. Starting tomorrow, it'll be 30 days minimum to check it out. I'm only trading on the 1 minute. I'm watching the 5 and I'm watching the 15. Man, and you are a believer. Yes, sir. Wow, it's just Con. Con, they stole your name? Dude, this... And his name is S-Con, which means for seriously con, not like fake con. Like super con. The S stands for super, so it's super con. We have regular con and we have super con. Oh man, even the Chinese dog thought that was funny. The Chinese dog was laughing at that one too, guys. He was like, Little Chinese dog. You guys funny, man, with that little Chinese dog. Yeah, let's get him out of here. Get this dog out of here before somebody shoots him. Well, whatever. I owe Khan an indicator? No, Khan knows I love him, man. Khan knows I love him. I'm just messing with him. You know, like Khan said himself, like if you're a friend, you get made fun of. Do you have a Flux Charts Pro, or do you go over this in your videos? Thanks. Market Angel, I don't use any other Flux charts. I don't use any other Flux chart indicators. I've tested them out previously, but I don't use them. To be honest with you, I didn't really go deep into any of them, but I know that they're really good because some of their indicators have like over 5,000 subscribers. So they're probably pretty sick. I was just messing with Khan, man. You okay, Khan? Yeah, I'm just messing with Khan. Khan's my boy. He's my boy, Blue. I miss having guy friends where I can make fun of. Like all my guy friends that I used to make fun of, they're like not in my life anymore. So now I take it out on Khan. That website was trying to get me to subscribe to use your indicator. What? I don't know what that means. If you have any issues, Market Angel, send me a DM. Anybody who sent me DMs today on Discord and you need help, I will get to you. Apex last day for 80%. Does that mean I need to clear my evals today itself for 85 PA? Usually that's the way it works, Harish. Usually that is the way it works. Just trades ICT. She loves it. Stay blessed. I have to leave for the day. Take care, K-Dog. You guys are funny. All right, we broke this level here, guys. We broke this level. We could still have an we could still have a good possibility to catch a decent long back into these highs if the market does want to go up there. Look at the size of the delta candle here. Look at this delta candle. And that's only 340. We haven't even hit the market on close candle yet. We haven't even seen the MOC candle yet, which is cray cray. We got the manipulation Chinese candle. Step number one. Well, step number one really is finding the level that you're interested in, right? Is this level the level you're interested in? The 1 hour orb to the upside? Is this going to be the level? No. If you think it is, then you look for absorption after that. If you don't think it is, then you wait. You got more levels down here. You've got some levels down here. You have some levels here. You got the VWAP down here. It's a lot of things you have. S-Con hasn't said a word, man. I think that we put a lot of pressure on him. ES got baited? Yeah. I think we put too much pressure on S-Con. He's like, oh, these guys think I'm super. Those are big shoes to fill. Yeah, this is a very important level, this 832. Very important level. That is where our 5-minute green candle originated from. So they really do need to hold this level. They really do need to hold this level. If they can hold this level, they can start putting in some higher highs. But remember, the market doesn't just the market normally doesn't just do this. It will do these things. Like that. That's usually what I see. Like that. So if it does something like this, then you could believe it's the move. Okay, we got the absorption right away here. Immediately. Now this is a really strong move. Now could they sweep this one more time or a little bit more? Absolutely. But they got the absorption right after the dump. So I'm going to more than likely paper trade this with you guys here. I'm going to look for a bounce from here somewhere. Let's see if they can get back above this level, 852. That would get me really bullish. If they can get it back above 852. If they cannot, then you may want to go a little bit lower first before going higher. You're checking the chart, S-Con? Oh, that's what's up, man. You got saved, Angelo? That's good, man. Piotr, is that for me? Am I done? I'm done. I'm just. If I take a trade, it'll be on. If I take a trade, it'll be on. Just here on the eval. I mean, not the eval. What is this called? The demo. Does it work always absorption, or does it need to appear in a diamond right away? No, 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 no. It can happen afterwards. It doesn't have to be the very next candle. It's very strong when you see the very next candle happen. That means there are some buyers in this area. It means there are some limit passive buyers in this area that are willing to fight for this level. That's what that means. But it doesn't need to be the very next candle. As you can see down here, when we had this dump, it wasn't the very next candle. It was 1, 2, 3 candles away, and then it went. It doesn't need to be the very next one. Not at all. But when it's the very next one, it's a very good sign. And now we're getting a double one, a double whammy. I really like it. But I'm going to wait for them to break above this level here because they could be baiting us. Break above the 851. And then I want to use the last meaningful candle as a support. I mean, as a last meaningful candle as a stop. Heavy bidders here. Nice. Glad you held the short, MAR. Yeah, one more trade, Piotr. One more trade. Let's do it. The one more trade gang. Hold on, guys. Yeah, I just got the crack. My back just cracked on that one. That feels really good. Oh, that feels so good. I'm actually going to put on the tens machine. You guys know what a tens machine is? I'm about to put on the tens machine. It's like electrodes and shock you. The chiropractor does this to me, and he recommended I get one for the house. If you guys don't have one, it's so awesome. It's a little machine like this, right here, and it provides an electrical current to any body part like your back, your neck. When you get back pains or neck pains or shoulder pains or knee pains or anything, and it sends electrical current to your affected area. And man, it feels so good. But just don't turn it up all the way right away because you can really shock yourself. This is a really nice recovery here, exactly from where we talked about. And this is why I tell you guys to take advantage of that offer we have to test out the smooth trader indicator, as you can see right here, right in front of you. We just got the long from right there. Anybody who wanted that long. There you go. There you go, ladies and gents. Here you go, ladies and gents. You saw it here first. She's ripping. She's a ripper. Did you take that long, Jerry Arroyo? Anybody take that long? What platform is the indicator on? The best platform on earth, dude. TradingView. The best platform you can known to man. She's a ripper right now. A ripperoni. You took it, Sam? Good job, Sam. My goodness, I love the markets. Says Jess. Did you took it too, Jess? Nice, Jess. Oh, she's back. She's nice and green today because of ICT. He taught her everything she knows, and now she is cooking. There you go. See, Con? See? ICT trader right there. She just ripped it, man. 50 micros on the day. Long? Nice, man. Good job. Still in, says Jerry. Where you from, long? I'm not long. I called it out for you guys. I'm done trading for the day. We're green. Good job, Jerome. A lot of offers here. You had a good day? Had a great day. Had a great day. Can the indicator be used on TradingView? It's for TradingView. It is for TradingView. Are you not green yet? You'll get there, Jess. You get there. They got to support this red line here. This has to be supported. If they can keep above 852, she's looking good to the upside. If she breaks it again, maybe not so much. Oh, that feels so good on my back right now. By the time I get to the chiropractor, I won't even need it anymore. What a move, guys. What a move. How many likes we got in here? You guys, come on. You guys are taking those trades. You guys ain't even giving me any likes, dude. We don't even have a 50% like ratio right now. 130 viewers, 58 likes. I mean, I'm not that good at math, but I don't think that's half. If you guys are giving us a like already, give some hearts or emojis. Do something, guys. Jump up and down. Do some jumping jacks. Do something. My P&L for today, we're up $1,209 on our eval, and we're up. I've only traded one micro because I just started a $500 live account. I only traded one micro today, and on that one micro, how much are we up on that one micro? Tomorrow we'll move it up to maybe 2 micros. $134. All of our trades today on the funded account were winners. So I'm more happy about the win rate because remember, tomorrow is the All Valley. Tomorrow is the All Valley trading tournament. So I'm preparing myself. Thank you, Jess. I'm preparing myself. I might need to go up to the Catskill Mountains and work out with K-Dog and Joey. Hoping for the giveaway. I don't think we'll do the giveaway today unless you're a STC trader. Oh, and that reminds me, I gotta find the STC trader real quick. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate all of you. Yeah, I hope we win, man. I hope we place top 1, you know? Not even top 3, top 1. Thank you, brother. Guys, this was the easiest trade of the day. This was the easiest trade of the day, which I should have, in hindsight, taken. But this was the easiest trade of the day. We called it right here live. Beautiful Chinese manipulation candle with the matching delta right here. Look at that delta. And then we have absorption right away. They swept it one more time. Absorption right again. Power long right here. Look at the power long. That was money, guys. That was money. If you didn't cash out on that, then I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. How do you find the indicator, Ryan? The indicator is down below in the description of this video, or it's pinned in the chat. Either one. Today's the last day to get a 3 days free trial on it. You missed 4 trades. Truth, you gotta start paper trading it. Start working with small size, maybe micros. And yeah, hey, oh, that was an A+++++. Did you code the indicator yourself? No, I worked with a very reputable company that creates indicators, and we've been working on it for like 6 months. Yeah, it's really good, man. You have a TPT account? Nice, True Vibes. Yeah, trade small, trade with the micros till you start feeling a little bit more confident in your trades, because you're not taking the trades because you're not feeling confident. So take the trades with confidence, and then you'll be good, man. All right, we got that 350 algorithm candle right here. It was a nice one. Looks like they're gonna push this thing to 900, just like we were waiting for earlier. But they wanted to come back and grab your stop. So after successfully grabbing people's stops and maybe changing their mind to maybe shorts, they come right back and they rip it on us. But we're too smart for that because we are using the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. As you can see, the manipulation down, absorption, power long, bang. That's all you got to do. Just connect the dots. La 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 la. Now, this thing's gonna rip, guys. This thing's gonna keep going here. Watch her go. Watch her go. You're scared because you blow accounts? I blow accounts all the time. I'm not scared. I blow accounts almost on the regular, on the daily. What's the worst that's going to happen? You blow your account. Oh, well. Just take the damn trade. And look away. Hold your nose. Look away. Nice job, Jess. Nice job. 897 resistance as Con. Great job on the trades, guys. Great job. We're going to pass this eval on this last move higher here. Didn't get a chance to take it. Plus, Bill would have roasted me if I would have taken that one more trade, even though this was an A+++, Bill. Why would you have roasted me, Bill? This was a perfect trade. A++++. You couldn't fit another plus on it. Good job, guys. Anyone who took it, good job. I like to poke fun, but that was a good trade. What did I say, Con? I mean, what did I say, Eagle Eyes? Nice job, Con. Con passed another eval there. Yeah, who cares, right? It's a winner is a winner, a loser is a loser. There's always a next trade. All right, great job today, guys. Really great job. Very proud of all of you. So close the day out with a 64.29 win rate on the eval. We made 1,200 bucks on it. That's pretty good for me. I'm not a big size trader. I trade 1 to 3 minis. Today I traded 1 mini. I think I traded 3 minis once today. And on my live account I traded micros today. I'll probably scale up to 2 micros tomorrow if I get an opportunity, because tomorrow is the All Valley. And that is going to be my main focus for October, is the All Valley. So I might not even trade anything but the All Valley for the month of October. Cole Akita said, up $4,184 and take profit. 2 diamonds. Did you take it because of the 2 diamonds? You won't be streaming due to the All Valley? The All Valley is a trading tournament. We renamed it the All Valley because of Karate Kid. The Karate Kid tournament was called the All Valley. You're using, Cole, are you using the indicator? Good job either way. I've never traded because of 2 diamonds, but that makes sense. This is very strong, high volume buying. I could see that. Cobra Kai never dies. That's hilarious. 7.5, better than negative. Yeah, you go, Jess. You're out of the hole, baby. You're out of the hole. All right, I'm gonna do the giveaway. I gotta do the spinning wheel. I'm gonna do the wheel of spinning names. This is a giveaway for anybody using the, and I will check to make sure you guys are. So don't try to screenshot the YouTube like the guy said earlier, because I know people would do something like that. It's pretty funny, but people will do that. Trade space. All right, I think we got everybody. Let me see. I got one more here. And check out that check out this dump zone. Crazy. All right, we got 6 people. It's going to be an easy one. All right, we got 6 people in Wheel of Fortune. So we've got Prevails 4, Trade Space, Lauren Mills, Michaela, Profits here, and Mr. Mike Ram. Let's see what the lucky winner is here. Congratulations, Trade Space. Send me. Good job, Trade Space. All right, send me Trade Space. Send me a DM in Discord, and I will get you the information over for the 50K eval. I know I owe a 50K eval to yesterday's winner and one other person. I'm getting the package today from Bulenox. I just ordered them, and I will be getting them to you guys today. All right, cool guys, cool guys. This dump zone here, this is a, if I'm not mistaken, that is a, it's a 15-minute dump zone. It's on my 15-minute chart. This is a 15-minute dump zone. Not to say this is going to hold us, but it is giving us a little bit of a hard time right now. Nice, Romel. There you go, Art. That's a good idea. Oh, nice, simple and easy cooking. 1 hour fair value gap has been filled, says Khan. Khan, I thought you didn't like ICT, but you're quoting fair value gaps. What's up with that? No worries, guys. No worries, Mike. Market Angel. Blessings. NVIDIA carries out of that down rose. How did people enter for the giveaway? Well, anybody who's using the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator or has already subscribed to it, they just had to post a picture of their chart on main chat. But it's over now. Tomorrow we'll figure out another giveaway. Let's see what's going on here. Let me just... Yeah. So market's closing here in just about 1 minute. Congratulations anyone who caught this long at the end of the day. Very nice move. Very, very clean move. Very easy trade to get into after we see the green wave, big green wave, which means that we're in a bull trend, so we look for longs. Got the pullback into the cloud. High volume, Chinese manipulation. High delta, you see that there. Got it quickly absorbed right afterwards. Absorbed for a second time. Power long. Off to the races. Off to the races. All right. Could be getting a similar setup now here for any people who trade after the bell. Just be careful because there's very low liquidity during that time, so I wouldn't be messing with it too much. Okay. Nice job, Art. Until tomorrow. No worries, guys. You gonna try the indicator for a month, Art? You like it? I'm glad you like it, brother. I think once you're using it for a month, you're gonna be hooked. Most people on ICT then turn on him. Yeah, I don't know either. A lot of his more famous ICT students or mentees, they end up having 1 foot in the door and 1 foot out the door. I think the only one who credits ICT the most is that Zeusy guy, but he's a scammer though. I can't call anyone a scammer, but he's charging people a lot of money for some ICT stuff. Basically, he repackaged ICT and sold it for like $1 million. Not $1 million, but he's up there. He's up there. Yeah, I don't know either. All right, let's say a quick prayer for you guys. Let's say a quick prayer for the crew here. Father God, we thank you for today. We thank you for allowing us, Father, to have an abundant day, Father, whether we have won or lost today in trading, Father. We thank you for our lives. We thank you for the life that you've given us, Father, the shelter, the food, Father, our families. We thank you for so many things, Lord, that have no real value that you can put on it, Father, no dollar value you can put on it, but we get it for free, Father, because you're so gracious and so merciful. Lord, we thank you for all of it. We also thank you for the experiences and the trials and tribulations that we have to learn from, Lord. We thank you for all of it. We thank you for allowing us this opportunity to provide for our families. And we also ask you, Lord, to forgive us for our sins, though, because we are not perfect. We sin every day, Father, and we ask you to help us repent from those sins. Lord, I pray for all the traders. I pray for their mindset. I pray for their financial well-being, and I pray for their health, Lord. As you know, Father, there are some traders here who are suffering from medical conditions, Father, that only you can cure. Father, we trust in you. We give you all our trust, Lord. And we ask you, Father, in Jesus' name, to heal anyone who you deem to be healed, Lord. We know everything is for a reason, Father. We don't doubt you for one moment. We trust in you, Lord, and we trust that you have our best interests always, Lord. Father, I pray that you keep us safe until tomorrow. We meet again. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you, guys. So real quick, I'll just go over a couple things before we go. We have the today's the last day. Today is the absolute last day for that free 3-day trial. We also have the prop firm matrix, which is pinned here in the chat. If you guys want to see the best deals on the prop firms right now that we use to trade every single day, go ahead and use the prop firm matrix that's pinned in the chat. You can do a side-by-side comparison on everything. And check out our Discord, guys, completely free. If you want to upgrade so you can see our trades without any lag, or if you want to join the Smooth Trader Stars program, that will allow you to have group coaching, group accountability. So that's for serious traders only. Check them out. It's all in the Discord. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care. God bless. And yeah, see you mañana.